How to log in into Gmail without verification code. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to log in into Gmail without verification code. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So first of all, here as you can see, I am on my login page. Now here simply enter Gmail. After that simply click on next. Then here simply click on forgot password. Then here simply click on I don't have my phone. Now here simply see these instructions above, then simply follow these instructions. After following the instruction, you will successfully able to log in into your Gmail without verification code. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.